discuss it with us is one of the pioneers of the technique, Dr. Roger Bassin. Roger, thank you so much for being here with us today to explain this fascinating new technique with us.
Thank you for having me.
So let's start out with the machines that you've brought with you, because these three here essentially do the same thing. Is that right?
Absolutely.
They melt the fat cells.
They melt the fat. So what is important for...
Sandy Rowland is on a mission to rid her face of wrinkles.
I feel young, you know, I want to look younger.
Today, Sandy will have a new laser procedure called dot therapy.
How'd that feel?
Dr. Roger Bassin says these microscopic...
It's 8 a.m. from Fox 35. This is Good Day.
All right, in the heat of the summer, you know this, we all sweat. And if you sweat a lot, there may actually be a new treatment available to you. And this morning, joining us to talk about that, plastic surgeon, Dr. Roger Bassin. Thank you so much for being with us this morning. Always great to see you.
Thank you.
All right, so let's
drive themselves home. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a couple little tiny injections, one under the chin and two underneath each ear. The next thing I'm going to do is actually going to put in a couple of these little tiny holes into the skin here. And these little tiny holes are going to seal up on their own, so we're not going to put any stitches in this at the end. I'm going to take this little tiny probe, I'm going to slide this under the skin, and it's going to squirt out numbing fluid. I'm going to start using my laser now. By putting laser energy in here, what we're actually doing is we're creating a tightening effect for it, which is going to give your face a nice structural lift. And it's going to also help to numb some of the fat. You don't have to worry about any scars, any sutures, any stitches. You're going to heal it beautifully and you're going to look perfect. And then that's going to be that.
We're here with cosmetic surgeon Dr. Roger Bassin from the Bassin Center for Plastic Surgery in Orlando, Florida. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you for having me.
And so, Selena,
those results. Dr. Roger Bassin out of Melbourne is here with what seems to be too good to be true. Good morning.
How are you?
Good,
and plastic surgeon Dr. Roger Bassin joins us now to show us how it all works. Doctor, thank you so much for joining us. Explain to us this process and how does it work?